Alright, this thing is not cooling off. I don't know what's going on. Alright, so let's put the gauges on this thing. Let's see over here what we got. 6 pound R22. Oh boy. No, we don't need that. R22. It's nice when they got that thing outside like that. There you go. Compressor's not working. 128. Alright, compressor's not working. Why compressor's not working? We gotta get deeper. Okay, the pressure's 125. The unit is not do look that bad. See, he probably could get another year or two. Believe me, I see it works. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace that compressor there. I gotta replace that motor, the compressor, the dryer. All right, I think I'm gonna go for 47C.